There are good reasons for remaking old movies. Sometimes the originals have flaws that cry out for correction. Sometimes a clever twist can breathe new life into an old story. Sometimes movies just don't age well and deserve to be freshened up. But some movies are so classic, so iconic, it's a fool's errand to try to replicate them. There's a reason why no one has attempted to remake Casablanca, Gone with the Wind, or The Sound of Music. And that's why I had no intention of watching the remake of The Magnificent Seven. The original cast, the scripting, the storyline, and perhaps the greatest musical score in cinematic history. What arrogance to think that any filmmaker could presume to reimagine it. But there it was on Amazon Prime, and curiosity got the better of me. So I pointed and clicked. As remakes go, it wasn't bad. The new version changes enough to keep interest while preserving the spirit of the original and a few memorable lines. But the filmmakers make one inexcusable blunder. And if you haven't seen it, spoiler alert. In the remake, the final confrontation reveals Denzel Washington's underlying motivation: revenge. How typically Hollywood, how sadly pedestrian. The beauty of the original lay in the nobility of hired gunmen who cannot tolerate injustice, who hold themselves to a higher standard of personal conduct despite their bloody vocation, and who sacrifice themselves for honor as an atonement for the ruthlessness of their chosen profession. King Solomon says, "Do not withhold good from one to whom it is due when it is in your power to act." People do good for any number of reasons. Sometimes because it's expected of them. Sometimes because they want recognition. And sometimes because it aligns with their own interest. But then there are those who do good because it's good, because they can't help themselves, because they're committed to a value system that they hold higher than they hold themselves. Those are the people we want to emulate, we want to celebrate, we want to turn into heroes and icons so that we can become more like them. Where have you found inspiration? Tell your story in the comment section. Like or share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm Yonason Goldson. See you next time.